So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video, and today we're just going to quickly talk about the 1919 florin. So as you can see, it has the values at the top, 1 florin or 2 shillings, and the reason why it has 1 florin is because around about 1830 the UK had a little fluttering with decimalisation, and as 1 florin is 1/10 of a penny, they were going to decimalize it as £1. Oh, sorry, 1 florin is 1/10 of a pound, not a penny. God, stupid mistakes I made. And so £1 would equal to 10 florins, and 1 florin would probably equal to 10 pence if they ever did try to decimalize it, which they didn't. So that's why it's got 1 florin. And Australia actually kept that tradition and just used florin and not 2 shillings, in which the UK reverted back to 2 shillings later on in, I think, 1930s. I can't remember off my head. So I do have some UK coins here. A lot of UK coins. And so anyway, here you go, florin. And I think I'll do a set of videos basically detailing the values of UK coins, same as I'm doing for Australia. See how that goes. Anyway, I'll think about that. So for the 1919 florin, there was only how many? 1,677,000 made. So a bit under 2 million, and that's pretty much a normal mintage for these 1 florins. They very rarely get up to the 3 million mark. A few of them, like the 1936, are actually pretty common, but most of them are pretty much around between the 1 and 2 million mark, and some of them actually go under 1 million. And on the back we have George V. This one's probably in very good condition. And the actual values for these coins are actually a lot higher than the years that actually surround it. Even though the 1921 is less minted, it's actually less value. So in very good condition, you're probably talking about $15 or something like this. Any lower grade, you're probably talking about bullion value. In very fine condition, probably about $150. In almost extremely fine, you're probably talking about $750, $800. In uncirculated condition, you're probably talking about $2,000 to $3,000, which is what you actually, because it's low mintage and high value at the time, I'd say there's really not many uncirculated coins out there. Someone would have had to actually keep it, probably from getting it from the bank. Probably a few people would have got it from the mint itself, but I would say most of them would have some damage on them themselves. So, are there any types of errors that can be found for them? Well, basically, florins don't really have that many errors for pretty much any date. These coins would have had a higher degree of scrutiny after they've actually been minted, because the higher silver content and also the lower mintage would allow for that. But basically there are 2 main features you need to know, and they have to do with the 9. We have the 9s in the date lean left, so these ones actually stand right up straight, and I need another video to actually show you this if I actually get another 1919 coin. So I've just had a little bit of an investigation, and basically with this coin, the first 9 is upright, the second 9 is slightly sloping to left. So it's actually sloping that way. If it was upright, it would be more straighter than actual that coin. And there's actually a good website, I'll list it down below, Triton, and they have a lot of varieties for the 1919 sloping. So they have it where the one slopes as well, and where both of the 9 slope in one direction or another direction. So it gets pretty complicated. If I had actually quite a few coins, I could actually show you, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to actually get quite a few 1919 coins and make a video to show all the differences. But basically that is what you actually need to look for. There are no cracks or dots that I've actually seen, but it doesn't mean that they don't actually exist, because the 1924 florin actually has a lot of errors, so maybe it's just a lack of sampling that there are a lack of errors. But if you have an error 1919 coin, please leave a comment down below, because it would be nice to actually see a photo of it and expand the known errors of this actual coin. But anyway, here I'll leave the video, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching it, and have an awesome coin collecting time. Got some links down below if you'd like to have a look at them, and take care in these pretty much fun times.